Hello guys, welcome back to Evoto AI Creative. Ever taken a fantastic photo, only to find it marred by distracting glare on your subject's glasses? Glass glare and reflections can be a real headache for photographers. Remove glasses reflections using Evoto. You can download or go to Evoto online. I have put the link on the description. Create project and import the photos. Choose portrait retouching. Expand blemish removal. Find remove glasses glare. Select all. Scroll to the indicator you want. Then select all photos and click Sync. Let's go to the link I had put on description and try it now. Now you will see all photos are remove glass reflections perfectly. Remember, subscribe us for the newest info. Leave any advices or you want to ask in comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.